Hello and welcome. To begin with, here are the learning objectives of today's video. How to buy the alternative cryptocurrency Cardano ADA. As always, I'm a cryptocurrency and digital assets investor. I am not a financial advisor. Please seek independent financial advice from a professional to tailor your investment strategy to your investment goals. In this video, we will be looking at the Bitrue cryptocurrency exchange. I use this exchange when buying and trading my alternative cryptocurrencies and digital assets that are not available on the Coinbase exchange. Bitrue has a simple layout which is easy to navigate even if you're a beginner in the cryptocurrency space. The homepage displays the current prices of major cryptocurrencies and digital assets, indicating whether they are up or down using green and red indicators. The Bitrue exchange also has a smartphone application for both iOS and Android devices. This is one of the easier exchanges to use and is a great starting point for any cryptocurrency beginner. Navigate to the Bitrue website and sign up for an account. Once you've signed up for an account, I recommend applying for verification. Bitrue will lead you through the account setup process, much like Coinbase. Once you are a verified user on the Bitrue exchange and your account has been set up, navigate to the homepage. We need to fund the Bitrue account with some Bitcoin, so let's go back to the Coinbase exchange and transfer the funds. I'm going to have the Bitrue exchange and the Coinbase exchange open in two windows to make it easier to switch between them. Navigate to the Coinbase homepage and click on Accounts. Scroll to the BTC Bitcoin wallet and click Send. This is where things need to be carried out correctly, otherwise you will send your Bitcoin off into oblivion. We will need to enter the Bitrue Bitcoin receiving address into the Enter BTC address box. On the Bitrue exchange, navigate to Assets and select My Assets on the drop-down menu. Type BTC into the Search Crypto search bar. Just a side note, BTC is the ticker symbol for Bitcoin. I may sometimes refer to Bitcoin as BTC. Click the deposit button for Bitcoin. Only send Bitcoin to the BTC deposit address. If you send any other cryptocurrency other than BTC to this address, it may be lost. I recommend sending a small quantity first, and when you are comfortable, send the full amount. So it's time to buy some altcoins. I have been buying Cardano ADA and Casino Coin. I've also bought some other alternative coins, however, to cover them all will make this course very lengthy. As always, please do your own research into which alternative cryptocurrency you would like to buy. Today, I will demonstrate buying the alternative cryptocurrency Cardano ADA. Go back to the Bitrue homepage and select the exchange button at the top. This may look daunting at first, however it's incredibly easy to use once you understand it. Click BTC, shown here, if it has not already been selected. Type ADA into here and click. This blue box here is where we buy the Cardano ADA. Click Market and select how much you would like to buy using the sliding scale. I'm going to spend half my BTC holdings in my Bitrue BTC account on Cardano ADA. Click the Buy ADA button. Congratulations, you just bought your second alternative cryptocurrency. Thank you very much for watching. In the next video, I will demonstrate how to set up this storage device. This device will allow you to store your cryptocurrencies securely offline, off the exchange, in cryptocurrency wallets on a hardware device. This is essential because as soon as your cryptocurrencies are off the exchange, the safer your funds are. Cryptocurrency exchanges are prone to being hacked, especially if the value of the cryptocurrency is increasing. It is nearly impossible for a hacker to hack funds stored on a hardware or software wallet.